Hi, good morning. This is Shrikant. Welcome back to video series on leave management system. In this video, we are going to configure email connector and we will try to send out an email to employee as and when managers takes appropriate action on their leave request. Let's get started. So this is my process modeler which we designed for our leave management system. I'm going to drag and drop send email smart service. We are going to place the send email smart service here. Now we will configure a send email properties. So I'm going to name the notify employee, and task name is going to be notify employee. Let's set up email from to address. So in this case, I will say it's going to be a process model, and the two we have to specify the email address whom we wanted to send this email. So in this case, I'm going to send this to uh, process variable nic leave summary dot user id. So user id is nothing but the email address that I'm storing, hence I'm passing that user id over here. Okay, the subject we can say your leave request has been you can write something like this. You can pass the process variable nic leave summary and the leave status. Okay, we are done with the from, to, and subject lines. Now we will consider this as the top priority, say high priority. Here for message body we have the two option. We can write something like this: hi. Again, I can pull the process variable here, process variable, and ns leave summary dot name. So, and I can mention your leave has been. Again, I'm going to use process variable here, nic leave summary dot leave status. And then if you want, you can add some of the information such as let's say leave start date, leave end date, and leave applied date. So leave start date, again use the process variable pv bank nic leave summary dot start date, leave start date you can pick here, and the next process variable is going to be process variable nic leave summary return to office date, save and close. Then insert one more process variable over here. This time we have to select leave applied date. Okay, and here. Thank you. And manager signature, probably, you can add something like this, manager signature. And if you want to display the manager's comment, you can say process variable and nic leave summary. So I can insert a new process variable to display leave summary comment. Save and close. This is the one way to send out an email. Click on OK and save and publish. So I'm going to start the process. I will apply leave starting 15th August, and return to office is going to be 18th August. This is going to be vacation, and I'm going to click apply leave now button. I'm going to submit the leave now. Okay, leave has been submitted, and let's see. So it is in the manager's queue, and I'm going to launch manager's form, and I'm going to approve this leave. Enjoy your vacation, and I'm going to submit. Refresh again. It is about to send the email to the employee. It has sent. Okay, we got an email saying that your leave request has been approved. I'm going to click this. So, hi Shrikant, your leave has been approved. Enjoy your vacation. Leave start date, leave end date, leave apply date, and manager's name. Now we will check a second method to send an email to employee when the manager approves or rejects the leave. In this second method, we are going to use HTML template. So I have prepared a template, and my template looks like this. It starts with the HTML and ends with HTML. In between, I have a header tag and body tag. Within the header, I have defined a style, and within style, I have defined all the CSS properties that is required to build a table. Table header, table cell, table row. Within body, I have used image tag to display image, followed by the h4 tag to display and greet the employee. Then I used a paragraph tag to display the comment. Then I used comment. Have added a table here to display leave apply date, name, user, leave start date, and return to office date. So these are again my variables, and this is to display the manager's signature. Next, we need to upload this document. So click on new, click on document, click on upload, and select the email notification HTML. You can see this is HTML. Click on open. Next, click on send and click on create document. Email notification document has been uploaded. Now we'll try to use that template in our flow. Go back to properties, click on setup tab and select the second option here, use text or HTML template, and you can select the template over here. This is going to be NIC Knowledge Center. NIC, select NIC email notification, click on OK. Next, you have to pass the value which has to be printed on the HTML template. If you recall, these are the various variables that we have added in our HTML. Name, comment, leave applied date, name, user ID, leave start date, and return to office date. These variable gets populated over here. We have to map process variable to HTML variable. So first one is going to be process variable return to NIC leave summary dot return to office date. Next, we have to map user ID process variable NIC leave summary dot user ID. Next, we'll map a comment dot comment. Next, we'll map leave start date I'm going to map now. Similarly, we'll map leave applied date. Similarly, we'll map leave applied date. Then name. Next, we will map status and finally we'll map name. Okay, we'll add process variable dot name. Click on OK and publish this process flow, and we will test this changes. It is done. Now we can start our process flow. It's already. Now I'm going to select leave start date as August 22nd and return to office date as August 25th. This time again I'm going to select vacation so that this request I'm expecting this request to go to manager's approval. Click on apply leave now. Okay, leave has been submitted and it is sitting in manager's queue, and I'm going to launch the manager form. This time I'm going to reject. I will say we are working on high priority project which has to be delivered on time, and I'll submit manager's action. Let's refresh this. Flow is the flow is ended successfully. Now we should get an email. Let's I got an email from Appian process modeler. It is addressing to the employee, name of the employee, and the status of the leave, along with the leave details, leave start date, return to office date, user ID, name, and leave applied date. It also has got manager's comment as well. And here you see the manager's signature.